At the post office, sending a package.
Hi.
Hello, what can I help you with?
I'd like to send this package.
Sure, is it going domestic or international?
Domestic, just to California.
Got it. Did you pack it yourself?
Yes, I did.
Is there anything fragile inside?
Yes, it's a glass vase.
Okay, I'll mark it fragile.
Great. How much will it cost?
$12.50 for priority mail.
That works.
Would you like tracking and insurance?
Yes, please.